Gobble, gobble, gobble. We gonna make a turkey pot pie with leftover turkey. Bought the pie crust already made, just roll it out. I baked some potatoes. I'm gonna peel the skin off of them. Skin's off. Now I chop the potatoes up. I throw the potatoes in the pan as well as my vegetables. I like lima beans, so I threw them in there. Now I add a can of cream of chicken soup and 1 cup of milk. Now here's my leftover turkey straight out of the freezer. I chop it up and I'm gonna add it right on in there. Stir it up, stir it up. Woo! Almost there. Just added the top piece of pie crust. Now I'll put a few slits in it and it will go in the oven at 350 for about an hour, hour and a half. Y'all better ask somebody up in here, man. I am not playing. You better slap your mama. Woo, that look good. Juice is all bubbling up. Don't forget to subscribe to Karlton Johnson on YouTube for more recipes, therapy, and humor. We are accepting donations for our Feed Someone campaign. Cash at me as little as $1. Anything helps.